Welcome everyone to Engineer Your Career. During this experience, you're going to have the opportunity to learn about the engineering career path, everything it has to offer, the firm and the groups in which our engineers sit. You'll learn about the power of the firm and its far-reaching presence, the power of connections, and how the intersection of human skills and tech skills very much are the future.
As a future engineer, you have the ability to make a real lasting impact for clients that we work with, for the people in the firm, the people that you get to work with, and also in your communities.
So you are stepping into the role of an engineer, and you're going to design, you're going to build, and you're going to problem solve.
You guys are entering the profession why it's being fundamentally rewritten. The thought that the folks in this room are going to have the most meaningful impact on shaping and changing that profession, that should excite you.
At PwC Engineering, you're not limited to one industry. You get exposure to a lot of different contexts. We have partnerships and alliances across most of the cloud platforms.
If I was in your shoes, I'd say, what the heck is an alliance? It's a formal, structured relationship we have with a company to go solve problems together.
One of the things that I think is amazing about the opportunity to be an engineer at PwC as opposed to being an engineer at maybe one of the companies with all the logos on the screen that you saw with Patrick is you do get to work with all of those companies. You're not picking one to spend your time with.
Engineering isn't just a supporting capability, but is really going to be a core capability of PwC's future.
If we don't teach and embed the critical judgment, the reasoning, the empathy, the curiosity, the innovation, the AI-human collaboration, if we are not building those skills and capabilities with our people, we will not win.
It's not all tech, it's not all business, it's the combination that really makes the difference.
Hopefully you guys are being able to experience like the true PwC feel of navigating complex personas and disentangled information, and you're realizing that, working in technology is like a little bit harder than just implementing the thing.
I expected to kind of just sit here for a couple of days and listen to a lot of people talk, but we did a lot more than that.
This was the first time I've actually used AI from end to end, from disseminating all the information we got at the beginning, to actually coding out a solution, to building a PowerPoint presentation, to talking to mock representatives from the companies.
We're often within our college bubbles, and we don't really get to have an event where we get to meet, talk, work with, collaborate, all in a comprehensive event, and that's just really amazing.
The most enriching part of this experience was the people. Really just such a unique experience that I don't think I would have been able to get anywhere else.
I feel like talking with so many different professionals, it also gave me the confidence that even though I might not know exactly what I want to do, I can find a place at PwC because you guys literally do everything.